Hello guys and welcome to the new video. So this is 2022 G63 AMG HOFELE Bedouin Off-Road 4x4 edition, and in this video we will check out this brutal G-Class. But now let's start it up and check out the brutal exhaust sound and revs. Today we are at Seredin, special thanks. Alright guys, so let's check out this custom-made Mercedes-AMG G63 Bedouin 4x4 off-road by HOFELE. Also we have a winch and other off-road accessories. As you can see, the wheels and rims and tires are very off-road oriented. Also we have bull bar and some other accessories, as you can see here, so we will check this out. This vehicle is finished in solid polar white paint, so non-metallic but glossy pure white we can say, and it has a lot of carbon fiber and high gloss black details. So we will check this in the exterior overview now. So let me know what you think about this off-road and how do you like this. Alright guys, and if you like this video, give it a like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and turn on all notifications so you're notified for all new upcoming videos. Today we are at Seredin, special thanks. So at the front we can see this bull bar in high gloss black and also the winch with red rope. So if you're stuck somewhere, you can attach the winch to some firm object and then you can tow yourself out. And for this vehicle we have sport front grille with vertical struts in carbon fiber, also the H by the HOFELE in matte black, and also at the top we can find the carbon fiber power dome on the hood with this like a shark on the side. So let me know how you like this accessory, and the HOFELE Germany badge on the front hood. Also, as you can see, we have some LED on the top. We will check that later. The whole car looks really like a proper off-road vehicle, 4x4 design cues, and looks really massive, really like a monster vehicle. Alright, so in terms of the ride height, the car has suspension spring kit plus 50 mm, and these are the bedlock style wheels, very nice, and off-road tires, which are all-terrain, and this is BF Goodrich toughest all-terrain tire ever, now backed by a 50,000 mile warranty and 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So this is Baja Champion severe snow rated, and this tire has also 3-peak symbol with snowflake and M+S, so it's rated for winter and snowy conditions. Proper off-road tires. 285 55 R20 is the tire size, and you can see these bedlock style wheels, rims in matte black, and behind we have AMG brake calipers with steel brakes. So these tires, as you can see, have massive off-road tread, really crazy. Also HOFELE on the side and VA bi-turbo in matte black. You can find also on the side the carbon fiber side air vents, carbon fiber underride protection, and also carbon fiber bumper caps. So these are the rear tires. They are the same as the front tires. 285 55 R20, so the tire size is the same as the front tires. As you can see, the suspension spring kit elevates this car 50 mm, so it's much more above the ground. And here is the roof light bar with 2x LED lights. So the car looks really great with this accessory, in my opinion. And you can see you can turn it on and off with a switch. And this is how the whole car looks with the lights. Let me know how do you like this light bar. So as you can see, this light bar is pretty slim, so it's not too much in your face, but it's more than if you don't have anything there. So really great, also in carbon fiber. Alright, so now let's check out the interior. So here we have the leather exclusive Napa AMG in classic red and black, and also at the seat covers you can see HOFELE with the badge and the seat covers are in carbon fiber. AMG Performance steering wheel in Napa leather and high gloss black. And we have IWC Schaffhausen clog in the middle. The trim in the car is in high gloss black. And you can see we have TVs in the rear. Very nice diamond stitching at the seats, and yeah, it's more or less standard G-Class interior, but with very nice details such as these seat covers. So let me know how you like this color combination, and the G-Class soft door closing mechanism. Alright, so now checking the rear, you can see wheel arches in carbon fiber, bumper caps, and also this spare wheel holder in carbon fiber with AG logo, HOFELE logo in high gloss black. So with HOFELE Bedouin we have the full tire and also the rim as a spare wheel with off-road tire. Looks really great and just massive. So now one more look from the passenger view how the car looks. Also here we have the carbon fiber seat cover with HOFELE Germany badge, and also we have a roof window. You need to close it manually, and the seat have active multi-contour seat package. We have also the Burmester surround 3D sound system, AMG floor mats and AMG and the door sills. Now looking at the rear, you can see some TVs installed on the back of the front seats. Really great and really luxurious interior. And the G-Class soft close mechanism, you need to slam it just more to close it up. So here if you press on the fuel cap you can find the recommended fuel and tire pressure. And the wheel arches in carbon fiber looks really great. So looking at the vehicle from the rear, I would personally add the privacy glass. Otherwise I really think this car looks magnificent. It has this really nice and spicy off-road package, we can say, the Bedouin HOFELE treatment. Really looks very brutal and really off-road ready. You can see these tires are no joke, and the spare wheel is really connected to the vehicle in matte black holder. As you can see here, everything looks really high quality and everything is put together very nicely. Alright, so now let's talk about the technical details of the G63 AMG. Here we have the stock setup with 4-wheel drive system, 3 differentials, and the vehicle is powered by 4.0 liter V8 biturbo engine, handcrafted in AFFALTERBACH in Germany. So the engine develops 430 kilowatts, that's 585 horsepower, 850 newton meters of torque, and that's 625 pound-feet of torque. The engine is connected to AMG Speed Shift TCT 9G gearbox, so 9 gears, and the vehicle is electronically limited with its top speed to 220 km per hour, or with the optional AMG drivers package up to 240 km per hour. But with these tires, they are rated with the letter T up to 190 kilometers per hour or 118 miles per hour. So because this tire is very off-road oriented, is not as good in very high speeds, but 190 kilometers per hour or 118 miles per hour, I think it's very sufficient for this kind of vehicle, so that's very good. Or I guess, so let me know what you think about this Mercedes-AMG G63 HOFELE Bedouin 4x4 off-road edition. Do you like this? Let me know in the comment section down below. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, turn on all notifications, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.